welcome back to my channel, and today is an exciting day. We're doing something new on my channel, and it is a part 4 of the Just Winging It eyeliner tutorial series. And today I'm going to be creating a Santa hat kind of eye look slash eyeliner, so that's why I'm kind of just classifying it as part of my eyeliner tutorial series. Anyways guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you've not already, and go ahead and subscribe to the hashtag FamJamFamily if you are new here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and zoom you in and get started, guys. Okay guys, this look is actually really easier than you think it would be. So all you're gonna need is a red lipstick, which I'm using this Juvia's Place one today, and then you'll need a white liner, which I found that this white NYX liner is about the best one out there so far that I've tried a lot of them. So yeah, it's gonna be a really easy eye look today. Sorry, I've got a few breakouts going on, just have to ignore those. And so we're going to just go ahead and dive right into this look and get started. So I'm just taking my Aesthetica eyeliner brush, and basically what you will be doing is just going right along your lash line to start with. Then go ahead and look down to get that line. So basically what you're doing is you're painting your whole eyelid red. That sounds crazy, I know. So then whenever you get kind of basically half of your eyelid painted red, you will then go ahead and draw like a normal wing out here, and then that will give you something to connect into. And then just fill that in. Alrighty, and then once you have filled in the whole entire eye just like that, I'm then just going to take a red eyeshadow, which I'm actually going to be going into the James Charles X Morphe palette, into this shade right here, which is called You're Kidding, I believe. And I'm actually just going to tap into this pretty heavily to get a good amount on my brush, so that way I can set down this red lipstick. Alright, so after that is set, then just take your white liner, and we're just gonna go ahead and draw on the little white pom-pom here onto the end here. Basically you're just doing tapping motions, that way you're not having like a straight on like circle, that way it kind of looks fluffy like an actual pom-pom, you know. And then you're just gonna start like tapping on little like lines basically right onto your eyelid. So that's kind of the gist of what you're doing, is you're just barely tapping it along. That way it kind of looks fluffy, kind of like snow. So I kind of do one coat and then I'll kind of go back over it again. Alrighty guys, so that is the finished Santa eye on one eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll be right back. So guys, here's the final look of my Santa hat eyeliner tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you found it helpful if you want to try this look. I really hope you do. Quick note, this is super easy, so don't be scared to step out of your box. Just try it, you know? So guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.